Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be unboxing this and you'll see what it is. So it'll be a surprise. I think this video is gonna be like really cool. I don't know, people asked me to do this review, so let's do it. So I'm gonna open it. I'm using a pencil because I can't find my scissors or whatever, so there you go. So this is what I got. But basically they're like fake AirPods, so I wanted to try it out. Basically I can't try it out because my phone. Oh, I'm stupid. But yeah, let's check it out. All right. It had really good reviews. I only paid $13, so I'll probably put the link, but most likely not because I'd be lazy. So let's open it. Y'all, I'm trying to open this. This is hard. Oh yeah, because it has tape. Duh. So let's do it. There you go. Ooh, let's see. They're like AirPods. Come on. $13 and good reviews. Okay, I say yes. Instead of paying what, $150 something. But let's see. One man. Ah, look at these AirPods. Just kidding. They're not called AirPods, but this is really cool. And it comes with like this little charger for it, so you can charge the system or whatever. But yeah, let's see how they fit. This is how they look. Let's see how they fit. So I would assume this is my. Oh yeah, they fit good. I feel like I kind of look stupid, but I mean, whatever. So I'm gonna hit you back in a minute. So they're really comfortable in my ear. They don't feel too big, like they're gonna fall out. Like they're good, like really good in here. Literally like at school, I could be listening to music, just leave my hair down, and I could get away with listening to music in class. See? So yeah, I like the feeling of it. It's really good. It looks like just normal, earphones, headphones, whatever. I'm gonna just call them AirPods, because why not? So yeah, they were $13, so I'm gonna try this out after this video. I'm gonna try it out. This is just a short, quick video. So I'm gonna try, what's this? Oh, so I'm gonna try it out and I'm gonna tell y'all like how I feel about it. Like basically my like actual review in the comments on like the sound and things like that. If I don't do the comment, then I'll do it maybe tomorrow morning. But yeah. So yeah, those are my fake AirPods and a lot of people told me to do a video on it, so I did. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and also check the comments for my actual review on the sound and things like that. So yeah, thank you all for watching, and like and subscribe and leave a comment down below, and yeah.